Imagine an image or words on your laptop or your phone screen that represents your goals, desires, and aspirations. Images, words, quotes that inspires you. Vision board is a powerful tool that helps you imagine your dreams into reality. Think of it as a blueprint to your ideal life, to your future self, to the person you want to become. This year, there was a lot of things I wanted to achieve. I started this year with no phone because I was robbed at a point. I had no plans, no money. And one day I stumbled upon a video on YouTube talking about the importance of vision board. I put it into context and I must say that it changed my perspective about things. I visualized my 2024 and it worked out for me. Some of the things I achieved feel so unreal, but trust me, I don't know how I did it. I just did. If you watch till the end of this video, I'm going to be leaving tips on how to create your vision board like this or this. And I'm also going to be teaching you the importance of a vision board. When you create like a visual image of what you want to achieve, of your goals, it helps clarify your goals and your desires, making it easier for you to focus on that goal. It helps you stay focused on so you can achieve what you want to achieve, even though it's a 5-year term goal or a year goal or whatever it is. A vision board helps you stay focused. It boosts your motivation to take action for your goal. It doesn't only help you visualize, because one thing is about visualizing, another thing is taking action for what you want to do. So a vision board helps you not only visualize, but it helps you take action. It motivates you to take action for whatever you want to achieve. Imagine you want to get yourself a car now and you have a picture of that car and you are just looking at the picture like, I want to get the car, I want to get the car, but you don't walk towards it. Would the car just appear in front of your house one day? No. So the vision board doesn't only help you visualize, it also gives you that motivation, that boost, that zeal to want to achieve whatever you want to achieve. It gives you that zeal. It improves your visualization skills, making it easier for you to attain your goals. It gives you a clear picture. That is one thing a vision board does. It gives you a clear picture of whatever you want to achieve. I need to get my passport, which I did. So a vision board doesn't only help you visualize like, oh, this is what I really want. It gives you that motivation because you know what you want. So it boosts that energy, that energy that, okay, yes, I need to work towards this. When you're already like focused on something, you don't need to be confused anymore. Vision board reduces stress and anxiety because it gives you a clear picture of what you want to achieve, because you are no longer confused. Whatever you want to achieve, you're not confused of what you want to achieve. You already know deep down that, okay, this is what I want to achieve. So a vision board gives you that clear picture. It gives you that clear reminder. It increases your positivity and confidence by surrounding yourself with uplifting pictures and images of who you want to be, who you are trying to become. If you want to be disciplined, if you want to lose weight, if you want to work on yourself, if you want to achieve something, a vision board really, really helps you achieve those things. If you want to eat healthy, if you want to do some certain things, it gives you that positivity. A vision board, you cannot look at an affirmation word of I am confident or I am strong and you still feel like timid. No, a vision board will not allow. It will give you that confidence, give you that boost. It will give it because you're already surrounding yourself. I'm not even talking of people that you surround yourself with. I'm talking of the things you take into your body and your soul. Every day when you wake up, you look at those images, maybe hanging on your wall or on your phone wallpaper, on your laptop screen. You are looking at those things. You are saying that, yes, I want to surround myself. You're already surrounding yourself with these things that are going to help you mentally. It helps increase your positivity. If you know that you're somebody that has a lot of negative energy, you really, really need a vision board because it will take away that negative thoughts. It will boost your positivity level. Trust me, it works and it helps. So, like I said, I'm going to teach you how you can create your own vision board. So, first things first, you need to have the Pinterest app. The Pinterest app is an app like everybody can use. It's not just for girls. Guys too can also use Pinterest app. When you open your Pinterest app, you create an account and then you're signed in. It doesn't take too much work. Then you click on, maybe you want to save, maybe you want to look for motivational quotes about I am strong. You can just type I am strong affirmations or I am strong motivational quotes. I am strong quotes. It will just come out automatically. I really, really love this app. I am strong, I am intelligent, I am beautiful, I am capable, I'm loved. Boss girl, be the woman you would look up to. So these affirmations, you can take it. What I did for this, I saved these images. Just click on any image you want to save. Click on the image you want to save. Click on the three dots and click on download image. Then if you know you want to print them out, you can print them out. If you want to have them on your phone screen, you can have them on your phone screen. But if you want to do multiple images like this one, if you know you want to do a couple of multiple images like this is how you do it. Maybe you are a business person, just look for business pictures. You can just look for business pictures. Then you can see different kinds of pictures. You save them. If you are looking for money pictures, if you are looking for, maybe you are planning to travel out, you can just put airport pictures and they will come out. Then you can just save a couple of pictures you want to download, you want to use for your vision board, because we are also moving to Canva. I believe everybody knows the Canva app. So maybe you are planning to if you are planning to get married, you can just put wedding pictures. It doesn't have to be too extreme. You can just look for something that resonates with you, because one of the things I do is that I look for pictures that resonate with me. Okay, if you want to get a car, you can just look for car pictures. If you have a specific kind of car you want, you can look for maybe Mercedes-Benz, Ferrari, whatever kind of car you're looking for. Just search it out and it will come out. But because of the purpose of we are making an example, I'm just going to use any car right now. So if you are looking for, maybe you want to get a new phone, can just put, because even getting a new phone was also part of what I wanted to get for myself in my vision board. I wanted to get a new phone because when I started 2024, like I said, I did not have a phone. But now I have 2 phones. So trust me, you don't know how it works. It will just work. Like things will just work out for you. Somebody can just gift you. Somebody can just oh my God, trust me. When you know that you already have a goal, things just work out for you. When you already have a plan, when you already have a vision, things just work out for you. Maybe if you need an iPhone picture, maybe iPhone 16. Maybe you want to get the iPhone 16. You can just save it. If you're a content creator, you can just put content creator. You can just put content creator and you just save the image. Then we head over to Canva. We head over to Canva app. Then on Canva, you are just going to click on this plus sign here. We're still waiting for the app to load. I use Canva Pro because it is very, very efficient, but you can always use a free Canva. I started using free Canva, but because of editing purposes, that is why I use Canva Pro. But free Canva is, oh my God, Canva is one of the best apps to do anything on. So you click on vision board. You can just search it in the search bar, or yes, you can search it in the search bar and you click on vision board. This is a pro version. You can also click on blank page if you know you want to create your own from scratch. It doesn't come with all these images. A blank page comes on its own. So what I personally do is that when I'm putting in pictures, I also have affirmation, words of affirmation. I also have words of affirmation, so that even if there are some people that would do everything like this, like a collage, and they'll just print it out and they'll put it on their wall or in their wardrobe. I've met people like that are this cautious about their vision board. They put it on their wall, their wardrobe, or on their, like, their bed stand, the side of their bed. There are people that do that. And yeah, so because of the pictures are too much, let's just go and create a new design and custom size. Let's just pick this because of sample purposes. So all what you have to do is just to go to your gallery on Canva, and then you just click the images, you select them, select the images. I use up to like 10 to 15 pictures. It is not bad if you don't achieve all what you plan to achieve in a year. It just helps you know that this is your goal. Even if it is a long-term goal, it helps you stay in check. So you just resize them when you want to put them in place. I mean, I like to arrange them to size them and you put them in place. I usually use my laptop for this, but oh my god. But I just want to... So these empty places here and here, the white blank spaces, you just need to... We are going to look for 2 pictures and put at those sides. I think I still have some pictures here with me. So we just have to look for pictures that we can just fix in there. We can use this, like any image. So let's select it. Okay. So we can just put this here, and we can just put this one here. This is how easy it is to create your own vision board. If you know that you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe. And make sure you practice this and tell me if it works out for you.